Hey guys, it's Pauline. So it's been a few days, so you know I got a haul, right? But this is coming to an end. I keep saying that, but I swear. So I was going through my stash and I was looking for these and I found them. And I remember getting these at Joann's maybe a couple years ago. And I liked them, but I had put them away and I couldn't find them. So anyway, I came across them again. And I remember buying single ones. So I remember they was expensive, but I found them on clearance. So I only had a few of these. So I wanted some more. So I Googled this and I thought that this was Joann's brand, but apparently it's not because I was able to find it at Office Depot. So I thought that I would share that. I really like these. Now, they're not as good as the Zig markers, but I think they're like number 2, runner up. So I bought these. I looked at Joann's online and looked like they're still selling them, but they're selling them like for 89 cents a piece. But just so happened, Office Depot is selling this whole pack for, I want to say $12.99. If I can find it out, I'll link it. But these are pretty good. They're pretty wet, and I like these. So I thought that I would share that. And then while I was there, I don't really do a lot. All I do is kind of like maybe sometimes do a background, just kind of color. But because I have zero artistic ability, so I don't try to draw or anything, paint or anything. I just kind of wash the background. But anyway, I picked this up because it was $6.99. I don't know if these are quality. They don't look like it, and I don't know anything about watercolor, but they don't look like quality. But these were $6.99. So I thought I would pick this up, and this could go in my little go bag. All right, and which my go bag is getting pretty chunky, y'all. I love this bag that I got from Etsy. I have shown it before, and it is getting pretty stuffed. But I thought that I would share this. So that would be cute to go in there. And let me just show you right quick what I'm talking about. Look how stuffed that's getting. But I love it. I love this bag. I wish they had this in a maybe just a little bigger size. But look at that. Ridiculousness. But it has everything. It's holding everything that I need. And look, let me show y'all what happened to my Galen leather bag. I don't know what happened to that. I don't know if it was this that scratched it. I don't know, but I usually, don't freak out over things, but that hurt my feelings right there. It's actually like a dig in it. And so, and I don't know what this is. I don't know if this is the brass right here rubbing up against it or what. But it's starting to change already. And I haven't had this for maybe, 2 weeks? But anyway, all of that fits in there. My 2 little traveler's notebooks, and then a few stickers, and then we got a few stamps, and then these are fine liners in here. All right, and then this is a few inks and stamp blocks. All right, and then somehow, there's a little bit of room left. I'm gonna stick this in there. Okay, so moving on, I went to, was it Family Dollar or Dollar General? I think it was Dollar General. So they had 50% off. I thought these were really, really pretty. I don't make treat bags anymore, but because my son's like in the 10th grade. But I thought these were really, really pretty, and I bought these for myself. So I used to love to put these in like little treat bags. But I thought these were really, really pretty, and they're 50 cents. So you might want to check out. So a lot of people go for those after Christmas sales, but you know, you go to the big ones like Walmart and Target and stuff like that. But I think people forget about the little places like Family Dollar, Dollar General. So these are really pretty. And then this, they had this in the Christmas aisle. So they only had it for $5 in the beginning. And so now it was $2.50, which I thought that was a pretty good deal. So I picked that up. And then these were only 50 cents. I thought these were cute. All right. So that's that. And let's see. So I picked up some pens. So I'm trying to see which one I want to open first, because I picked up like 3 different pens of the same type, because I wanted to compare them and see which one I like the best. So I don't remember. I know which one about here, but I don't remember. So anyway, let's just open it, because I was trying to save the ones that I want to compare for last. But we'll just open it up, and we'll just go from there. Yeah, that's the one I wanted to compare. But let's see. So I didn't know about this little company here. They have their own pen too. And I got this for free with my order. So, let's see. Isn't that neat? You get a free pen. So, and like I said, the way I understand it is, this is theirs. They make their own. So, isn't that neat? All right. And I guess, oh, upside down. This is how to use that pen. All right. So, Fountain Pen Revolution is the name of the place. Oh, you get a discount code. All right. And then, let's see. Okay, so we got TWSBI. I'm going to save that. Oh, and I got a sticker. I like stickers. All right. So, let's see what we got at Endless Pens. I probably should have made this another video, shouldn't I? So, let's just keep going, though. Shoot. This is taped up really well. All right, let's see. So I'm doing this on my phone, so I don't know how to edit this out. One day I am going to figure all that out. Okay. So yeah, give me a minute. Okay. All right. There we go. I tell you what, this was not going to come loose in transit at all. I like the crinkly stuff, but wow, they put a lot. Okay. That's really cute. Okay. I am going to have to clean all of this up. Let's see. And there was, I was probably supposed to open this a different way, wasn't I? Okay. All right, I want to make sure there's nothing else in there. Alrighty. So, let's take a look at this. Oh, yeah. So, I don't have this particular company. And so, this was a really good deal. I don't remember how much. I mean, it was still pretty expensive, but it was a good deal on it. Okay, it didn't say. Oh, and I just made an order, but there's a code. All right. So let's take a look at this. I'm excited. I don't have this company at all. And so once I did kind of look at the some YouTubers talking about this, they say that this writes really wet. And I'm a little afraid of that because I don't like a lot of ink. I don't like a super juicy pen, so we're gonna see. See if I made a mistake. Alrighty. Very, very nice. I don't know what this is, but this is super nice. It actually does feel like pillows. So let's see. Very nice presentation. Look, even the packaging is kind of shimmery. All right. And then we have like a little cushion here. Okay, I don't think this has a false bottom. So that's really, really nice. Okay, so this is a blue Hawaii. It's a 0 blue Hawaii. Okay, so we got a little charm here. And we got some rose gold accents. And we got pointed ends. Very, very pretty. I don't know if this is capturing it, but it has that effect where it looks like it's moving in the light. There is a name for that. I found out recently, but I've forgotten what it's called. But I was hoping that this had it. It should for what this costs. It's very, very pretty. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. So it's 1.25 turn. Not bad. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? That is nice. That is gorgeous. All right. You know, it's lighter and smaller than I thought it was going to be. I mean, I'm not unhappy about that. I'm just saying. It looked, on other people's videos, it kind of looked gigantic. But it's not. Ooh, even this rose gold here. Now, I think I did notice that before. I just forgot it. And isn't that nice? So I am going to have quite a bit of fun. And now I got to think about what I'm going to put in it. My favorite ink so far is this diamond ink called Jack Frost. It's red and blue. It's so pretty. But I got a couple of things with it in it already, so I'm gonna have to pick something else. But isn't this pretty? Okay, so that's that one. All right. And then I think I'm gonna cut this off right here. And then I will show you guys these 3 things in the next video. So, yeah, because we're already at 15 minutes. So I'll be right back.